So I'm legit just about to go eat pizza with my friend, and I look like this. I'm so extra. Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Today we're going to be doing a eyeshadow look using one of the 4 palettes from the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection from Morphe. Today we're going to be using the palette Dark Magic, and I use that to create this look today. Now if you're interested in my opinions on this palette and how I did this look, keep on watching. As always, my eyes are already prepped. I filled my brows in with the NYX eyebrow pencil in the color black. I carved them out using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I use that as my eyeshadow base, and I set everything, including my brows, with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette from her vault, and this one is in the color Dark Magic. I decided to pick this one because I haven't seen too many reviews on this one, but I kind of am digging the cool tone, dark vampy kind of look. So I say YOLO and let's go for this. Okay, so I'm going to pick up the color Potion, and I'm going to use this Morphe brush. It is part of their gold collection from Ulta, just a blending brush. And I'm gonna pick this color Potion, which is this green right here, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade today. All right, so I got that blended, I mean, as good as I can. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't the easiest shadow to blend out. It's a little patchy, I'm not gonna lie. It's I don't know, it doesn't even look like the color in the pan, to be honest. It actually kind of blends out darker than what it looks like. I thought it would be like this really pretty olive green, which is what it shows up as in the palette, but it does not. It also has quite a bit of kickback. I actually wish I didn't do that, but I actually kind of wiped some of it away, but I did get a lot of kickback from that shade, so I'm not that impressed with this shade, but that's only one shade from the palette. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's patchy. I'm not gonna lie. It's not that great, that one color. All right, so we're gonna go into a different color now. I think I'm gonna pick up Busted right here, and I'm going to pick it up on a Morphe M518 brush, and I'm going to kind of add that to my crease as well. So I'm gonna pick that color up right here. Pick that color up, and if you can see, it does have, is it gonna focus? It does have some kickback, not too much. I mean, all of Morphe eyeshadows have kickback to an extent. All right, that's definitely more pigmented. All right, that color is beautiful. This navy blue Busted is gorgeous, and it is so pigmented, and it blended so nicely. I'm confused. I'm so confused because Potion was a hot mess, and then you get Busted right next to it, and Do you guys see that? Like, that's beautiful. Oh my god. You could totally do just like a smoky eye and put this on your lid and blend it out and fade it out to your brow bone color, and that would be a beautiful deep navy smoky eye. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. All right, I am going to do a halo eye today because I feel like I want to do a halo eye. So I'm going to pick up my Luxie 249 brush. I'm going to pick up the smaller end. It's a double-sided brush. I'm going to pick up the smaller end and pick up some more potion and kind of put that in the inner corner of my eye. All right, I'm going to go back in with potion. I feel like I'm going to regret this, and blend out this top line, but I do want to show you what kickback I have so far. It's not that much. I'm going to blow it away though. All right, I'm going to pick up some more potion and kind of blend out this top. See, I knew that was gonna happen. I feel like that color's so freaking patchy that just ruins busted. All right, I'm gonna pick some more busted up and fix that patchiness. Yeah, potion's a bust for me. That color is not performing the way I wish it would. It's so beautiful in the pan. Next, I'm going to go in with Proof, and I'm going to use the other end of that Luxie brush, and I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm going to carve out the center of my lid so we can prepare that for one of these pretty shimmers in this palette. All right, now that we have our center carved out, I think I want to go into, that's hard. I think I want to go into Power Cut, which is this silvery shade right here, and put that on the center of my lids. Yes, I think that's what we're going to do. I'm gonna pick up some more busted, kind of blend out these harsh lines. And then I'm going to pick up that Luxie brush again and just blend out this top part. So I'm now going to go off camera and finish the rest of my face, and then I will come back with my final thoughts on this palette. Alright guys, I'm back with the rest of my makeup done. If you want to know what else I put on my face, I always put it down in the description below. As far as my eyes, I did take the color Busted, which is this color right here, and I did smoke it out on my bottom lash line, and I used the Stila liquid liner an intense black to just do a line. I didn't do a wing, just a black line on top. And then I used the new Nars mascara called Climax on my eyes. I'm going to talk about that in another video. So we're not going to get into that, but I definitely do like it. So back to the palette. These are my opinions on this palette. I actually want to do a couple of swatches so you guys can see. I'm going to swatch Potion, which is this color right here on the back of my hand. And it's I don't know if you can see that. It doesn't swatch well. I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't. I'm gonna layer that up. Yeah, it doesn't swatch well. Like, it swatched really patchy, but then I want to swatch Busted right next to it, and I want you to see the difference. So Busted is that blue color that I have that I think is gorgeous, and then Potion is the color right next to it. So if you can see, Potion is really patchy. Like, it works really bad. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna pick up Power Cut, which is that color I put in the center, just so you guys can see it. This is just one swatch. So, I mean, it does swatch really well. These aren't like Juvia's Place palettes where you swatch them and it's all like, and the swatch goes on forever. But I mean, it swatches okay. I'm gonna pick up Diversion, because I feel like that's going to be a color people are going to want to see. I'm going to swatch that over here. That one also doesn't swatch very well. I was swatching, like I said, I was swatching a bunch of these, and they are really chalky. Actually, I'm like blinding you guys. So they are really chalky. They don't swatch well. They feel really dry. Now, I haven't used all of them on my eyes. I only use 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 10 colors. So I need to use the rest of them on my eye to really get a fair opinion of this palette. But what I used so far, I'm not that impressed. I mean, it's only $15 for this palette. So $15 is not that much money. So if you want to pick it up to test it out, I say, if you have the means for it, do it. Busted is a beautiful blue. Oh my god, this color is beautiful. And I mean, individual shadows from Anastasia and Tarte and all that, they cost around $15. So for this beautiful color on its own and some other brands, you're paying $15, which is for the whole palette. This palette, this line has had so much controversy because I don't know if a lot of people know, it was supposed to be released last month, and then it was held back because a lot of influencers got the palettes and they said it was really terrible quality. And then Morphe stopped production, backed it up, and was like, we need to check into this. We need to make sure that all the formulas are consistent. And then they relaunched it. And I mean, it's okay. This one is okay. I mean, is it worth it? Is it worth $15? 10 shadows for $15 is super cheap. You're paying not even $2 a shadow. So if you want to buy it because you want to try it out, I say give it a chance. But it's not the most pigmented eyeshadows that you've ever used. I got a beautiful look with my palette today, but I think it's just because I'm good at makeup. Like, I'm not the best, I'm not no Patrick Star or anything, but like, I'm good at I've used some shadows that are really terrible and I made a pretty decent look out of it. So I was able to do this, but if you're not that great with eyeshadows, you're gonna have issues with it. It does not blend very well. They are chalky, they are patchy, so I'm a little disappointed. I really wanted this to be awesome, but this is just this one, so we'll see how the other ones do. I'm really excited to try the purple one. I was going back and forth, like, do I do this one or do I do the purple one for the first one? But I really wanted to do a cool toned kind of look, so this is the one I ended up deciding to use. So yes, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button below. I would really appreciate that. And then make sure you hit the bell notification if you want to make sure you don't miss any more of my videos. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Bye.